Hi, I'm Graham Davis, Chair of the Pembrey and Buryport Heritage Group. Buryport Harbour has a rich and colourful history dating back to its opening in 1832. Top quality anthracite coal from the Gwendryth Valley was exported and the harbour attracted other industries too. Copper and lead ore was imported for the smelting works, and later tin plate was exported from the Ashburnham works. Many people in Buryport celebrate the landing in the estuary in 1928 of Amelia Earhart, the first woman to cross the Atlantic in a plane, and thousands of well-wishers cheered her off the following day.
Hi, I'm Matthew Tierney from Atkins. Buryport was a really exciting conservation project to work on. Due to the age of the harbour, some of the walls needed urgent attention. We targeted high priority repairs to ensure the health and safety of the public and harbour users. We also investigated why the structures had collapsed and made sure the conservation works did not cause any further detriment. The heritage of Buryport was of the utmost importance, so rather than rebuild to the original liner levels, we concentrated on retaining the existing character and distorted nature of the walls. We achieved this by sourcing and designing traditional lime mortars and grout, which could tolerate more movement than modern hard cement mortars, but those that were also strong enough to resist the tidal nature of the harbour.
This project was all about timing for us. We knew how important it was to the local community to get the work completed as soon as possible, and with the COVID pandemic ongoing, it did throw up a few challenges. So, to keep COVID at bay, we introduced stringent site measures, from daily temperature checks to dividing the workforce into bubbles. As the project progressed, so too did our learnings. A great example of this was when we brought in a local father and son mason team to allow two-person working. On top of COVID, cost and preservation of the historical site were a major consideration. We avoided both scaffolding cost and the risk of heavy equipment potentially causing damage on unstable walls by utilising our own in-house geotechnical department. Seeing the rope access team in action was an incredible sight, and it was really good to use a different way of working to undertake these works.
We worked with Team Merrill Lime to design and produce mortar using lime, recycled aggregates and coal dust. We also reclaimed existing masonry from the collapsed walls to reuse in the repairs and imported new masonry to match the original walls. This ensured consistency with existing materials used and the overall finished appearance.
Despite closing in 1948, today the port is used for fishing and leisure pursuits and a popular destination for both holiday makers and the local community alike. Hence why it was so important to us all that repairs to the harbour were carried out in the right way, preserving this region's heritage and allowing people to enjoy it for generations to come.